Nibonile lengane lena la ku TikTok ethe enene mawufuna izinto zakho zihambe kahle noma ufuna ukuphumelela ima esibukweni ukhulume nesibuko usho yonke into oyifunayo uzokwazi ukuthi ucross over to another dimension le osukuyifuna kuzokwazi ukuthi zonke lezi zinto lezo oyifunayo zenzeke. But yase ithi uma ufuna yonke into yakho yenzeke ngalendlela le ofisa ngayo zonke izinto like manifesting all the good things that you desire. Yathi enene you need to kuthi ungakhulumeli phezulu mawuzibuka esibukweni ukhulume yonke lento oyifunayo kodwa ungakhulumeli phezulu ifuna ukhulume engathi uyahleba ngoba mawukhuluma uhleba umzimba wakho awulwi nawe ukuphikize kodwa mawukhuluma out loud ngevoice yakho then your body it starts retaliating and tell you that it's true. I mean it's lies lento ishoyo ngeke ize yenzeke kodwa mawuyihleba umzimba wakho awuzwa. That's interesting like ukuthi mawuhleba into umzimba wakho awuzwa kodwa mawuyikhulumela phezulu ama-thoughts akho ayaphikisana nalento sukuyisho. I'm gonna try that. Let's all try that, or somebody who's tried it. So like
the mirror is basically a gateway or a thing that's in the dimension that will basically lead to you in an infinite timeline of other dimensions. So if you look in a mirror and say something, that will, one of your other selves in one of the infinite dimensions will hear it, and basically it'll come back to you because it's a mirror.